Hi guys, today we are unboxing the DJI Mic Mini 2. It comes with 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and its own charging hub. So let's get right into the unboxing. So let's unbox the DJI Mic Mini. So inside the box it has the manuals, carrying bag. So in the back of the box, it says here that the microphone itself weighs 10 grams, has high quality audio with stable transmission, whopping 48-hour operation with the case, DJI Osmo for like handheld, Pocket 4, Pocket 3. It's you can use this mic as well. DJI Action 5 Pro, 5, 6 or 4. You can use this Mic Mini 2 as well. It also has 2 levels of active noise cancelling. It also has automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. This is for like loudness, like sudden loudness of the microphone. The manual, stickers, more papers, the Mic Mini guide. Pack this up and then set this aside. Focus on the microphone and the transmitters. ASMR. We have this very good carry-on bag for your microphones. So we have the 4 windscreens. Set this aside. So inside the box, so inside the charging hub, we have the 2 transmitters, the receiver, and the cable whenever you are using your DSLR. Here. Unfortunately, we don't have one, so I'll just put it back inside. Give me guys a sec, and I'll pair it up with my Osmo Action 5 Pro. Just to make sure, also you need to update your firmware on your microphones, which is the transmitters and the receiver. So right now I'm done updating the 2 transmitters. So right now I'm updating the receiver, which is you need to press the power button, the power off button for 6 seconds. It will turn green, and then after it will turn off, it will turn blue like this one. And open your DJI Mimo app and just press DJI Mimo app and then go to about devices, firmware version, and click install. And that's it. And after it's done installing, you just click done, updated, and then done. So guys, right now I'm using my phone, and if you guys want to pair it with your handhelds, just need to turn on this button, turn on button, go to wireless mic, and then press the TX1, and then wait, let me disconnect it first. It will look like that whenever you don't have any microphones connected. So you just need to press TX1, and then it will say power on DJI Osmo Audio, and then you need just to press this link button for like 2-3 seconds, and then release. It will turn blue and green, and it will say connected. Just confirm, just exit. So I'm using my DJI Action 5 Pro, and for the mic, if you only use the transmitter, you could toggle the settings here on the camera itself. Just press here 10-bit D-Log and then press right here. You can toggle from mono to stereo, the transmitter 12 and 12 max plus 12 or negative 12 gain. Transmitter 2 or transmitter 1, this is for the noise reduction. So right now it's set to low, set to high, and then off. That's it. So I'm done pairing my DJI Mic Mini and my Action 5 Pro. This is what the sound looks like. Hello, test, mic test, 1, 2, mic test, mic test, mic test, 1, 2, and it doesn't have the windscreen. And this is what it sounds like with the windscreen. Hello, test, mic test, 1, 2, test, mic test, 1, 2, test, mic test, 1, 2. This is what it looks like for the noise cancellation turned on. Just press the power button once. Turns off. Turns on. Let's test, mic test, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the DJI Mic Mini without the noise cancellation. I'm playing a video here on my phone next beside me here. And this is 0 gain and the noise cancellation is off. This is the DJI Mic Mini on -6 audio gain and then low noise cancellation. This is the DJI Mic Mini on -12 audio gain and then the noise cancellation feature is turned to high or set to high. Hello, test, mic test, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is what it sounds like without the microphone. Test, mic test, 1, 2. And this is what the other transmitter sounds like. Test, mic test, 1, 2. There's not a lot of difference, but let's check. Mic test, 1, 2. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below on what DJI products I should review on next. On my next videos, I will try to put it in real life situations. So catch you in the next one. Peace.